In this video, we are going to continue our work with unit rates to apply it to unit prices. So let's get started. So as we know from our last lesson with unit rates, a unit rate is a rate per one. So a unit price is going to be the price of one item. For instance, if we have $18 for 3 shirts, that would be a unit rate of $6 per shirt. So let's see what this looks like with some real-world examples. So the same way as a unit rate, we're going to find a unit price by dividing the price by the number of items, because we want to go from the number of items to one item. So let's look at these here. So for instance, if I have movie tickets and I spent $30 on 5 tickets and I want to know the unit price, I want to go to a price of 1 ticket. To go from 5 tickets to 1 ticket, I'm going to divide by 5. And then if I divide the number of tickets by 5, I need to divide the cost by 5. 30 divided by 5 would be $6 per ticket. Looking at option part B, $75 for 3 pairs of jeans. If I want to go from 3 pairs of jeans to 1 pair of jeans to get the unit price, I'm going to divide both terms by 3. 75 divided by 3 would be $25 per pair. And last but not least, for our birthday cards, if I have $10 for 4 birthday cards and I want to know the price per card, we're going to divide by 4. 10 divided by 4 is not going to be a nice pretty whole number, but that's fine. 4 does not go into 1, but it goes into 10 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, you get 2. And we're going to keep this problem going by adding a decimal and a 0. 4 goes into 25 times, and that's exact. So it would be 2.5. If we're going to write it as money, it would be $2.50 per card. Again, so taking the number of the cost and dividing it by the number of items to get the cost per item, or for one item. All right, let's take a look here. A sports store sells 5 baseballs for $12.50. So let's write our original rate. And we want to know what is the price per baseball. We know per is going to mean for one. $12.50 divided by 5, because we're dividing the number of baseballs by 5, so we're going to divide the cost by 5. And remember, our decimal goes straight up into the quotient when it's money. 5 does not go into 12, but it goes into 1, but it goes into 12 twice. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 2, bring down a 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times exactly. Bring down our last 0. 5 goes into 0, 0 times. So this would be $2.50 per ball. All right, let's move along. All right, we're going to skip over that. All right, a pack of 6 bottles sells for $4.50. What is the unit price of 1 bottle? So we have $4.50 for 6, and we want to know the price of 1. So we are going to divide both terms by 6. $4.50 divided by 6. Remember, the first number always goes on the inside. I'm going to bring my decimal straight up into the quotient. 6 does not fit into 4, but it does fit into 45 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtract, you get 3. Bring down a 0. 6 fits into 30 5 times exactly. and we get a remainder of 0, so we know that we are done. So each price would, each bottle would be 75 cents. So 75 cents per bottle. All right, let's move along. Ooh, a 24 pack of toilet paper costs $26.16. What is the price of 10 rolls? So this is going to be a situation where we are going to use our unit. We're going to find our unit rate and then use it to get to 10 rolls. Because we cannot directly go from 24 to 10. So we're going to find the price of one roll first, and then by dividing by 24, 26.16 divided by 24. 24 fits into 26 one time. Subtract, you get 0. I mean, get 2. Bring down a 1. 24 fits into 21 0 times. So 21 times 0 is 0. Subtract, you get 21. Bring down a 6. All right, 24 into 216. I know that 20 times 8 would give us, 20 times 10 would give us 200. 24 times 10 would give us 240. So it's going to be less than 10. Let's try 8. 24 times 8. 8 times, that would be 192. Let's see if we can go up to 9. It would fit into 9. It would fit in 9 times exactly. So we know that each roll is $1.09. But now we need to go to 10 rolls, so we're going to multiply by 10. $1.09 times 10 would be $10.90 if you did out your multiplication. Again, so we had to find the cost of one roll by dividing by 24, and then finding the cost of 10 rolls by multiplying that by 10. All right, a 9-pack of paper towels, and this is going to be our final problem. A 9-pack of paper towels costs $15.75, and that's for 9 rolls. What is the price of 4 rolls? So our end game is going to be 4 rolls. I can't go from 9 to 4, so I want to find our unit rate first. To go from 9 to 1, we're going to divide by 9. 15.75 divided by 9. 9 goes into 15 one time. Subtract, you get 6 left. Bring down a 7. 9 fits into 7, 67, 7 times. You get 63. Subtract, you get 4. And then 9 fits into 45, 5 times. So it is $1.75 for one roll. And now we want to multiply that by 4 to get to 4 rolls. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Make my 2 scoots. So it would be $7 for 4 rolls. All right, so now that we have gone over that, we are going to stop here and we will go over some more together. But for now, you are going to type finished and we will move forward after. See you soon.